Mzansi, the reality show of Mseleku Kids has come to an end with episode 10. So I do not know why they didn't air for 13 episodes, because most reality shows they air for 13 episodes instead of 10. But the odd thing about this is that, the episode ended where Queen Loli was involved, lawyers, and that leaking of sex tapes and all of that, and going to Musa's channel, talking about them Selekus and whatnot. So we all know that Musa Mseleku is a very calculated businessman, so maybe he is trying to protect his brand or image, you could tell that after that episode of Queen Loli, it was going to be a mess. South Africa were going to drag the family. But anyway, episode 10, it ended up with the couple revealing that Vuyokazi is indeed pregnant. I did a video on this looking at the pictures. So congratulations to her. She is currently 7 months pregnant. So before the end of December, she would have given birth. And she has no hopes of letting go of this thembu. Young as she is, 21 or 22 years old, she does not want to let go. Just imagine. But anyway, each to their own. Bye bye.